Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you remove red crosshair on MSI monitor. So here's a guide to disable your gaming crosshair in OSD. Method 1. Turn off the crosshair in the OSD. Press the OSD joystick or menu button on your MSI monitor. Go to Gaming or Gaming Assistance. The name varies by model. Select Screen Assistance, Crosshair or Aim Point. Change the settings to off. Exit the OSD menu. Method 2. Use MSI Gaming Intelligence. This is supported by many models. Open MSI Gaming Intelligence on your PC. Select your monitor. Navigate to Gaming Settings. Turn Screen Assistance or Crosshair off. Apply the changes. Method 3. Reset the monitor. Open the monitor's OSD, go to Settings, select Reset or Factory Reset and confirm the reset. If the crosshair doesn't disappear, make sure the crosshair isn't coming from a game rather than the monitor. Check any gaming software or overlays that may display a crosshair. Restart the monitor after changing the setting. Update the monitor firmware if MSI provides a newer version for your model. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.